Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, you found it because you're searching for a method on how to get free Reelshort coins, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. I spent a few hours searching on a method on how to get free coins in Reelshort, and I finally managed to find a way to get unlimited coins. So you basically will need to use a mobile phone. You can see here I've got a iPhone. This is my spare one, but basically, guys, you can use an Android. It works on iOS and Android. So you need to basically, guys, make sure you, of course, have Reelshort installed on your phone. This is my spare phone, so I'm just going to show an example, but I won't run through the full process. But basically, guys, you need to make sure you have Reelshort on your phone. Make sure it's fully updated as well. And yeah, this is going to get you unlimited coins, and it's going to save you a bunch of money because let's just have a look at in-app purchases. How much are coins? So yeah, they are not cheap, guys. You can see it costs you a ton to purchase coins, maybe $50 or more. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free coins. So you need to open up the internet on your mobile phone. Like I said, it works on iOS or Android, and you've got to go to this website, www.speedyplugin.com. So Speedy Plugin, SPEEDYPLUGIN.com. Now this is a app store, guys. Modded sorry, I got a bit of a cough. A modded app store, and you need to basically search for the Reelshort app. Here we go, Reelshort coins plugin, unlimited coins for Reelshort plugin, iOS and Android. So this is going to give you a plugin app on your phone, which you can run in the background as you use Reelshort, and it's going to give you unlimited coins. So you just basically follow the steps on the next screen. So this is loading up, guys, and on the next screen you're going to see a new step, and it's going to tell you how to get your free coins. Pretty easy. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these like simple tasks to verify, and once you've done that, you're going to have the Reelshort coins plugin on your phone, and you can get unlimited free coins. Super easy. So head on over to Speedy Plugin, and yeah, that's going to save you, like I said, a ton of money and a ton of hours searching, because I spent hours, and this is the only working method that I managed to find. So enjoy, guys. Speedy Plugin, and yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Reelshort free coins, super easy, working in 2024, and yeah, enjoy. Peace out.